Okay.
We need sponge or old cloth will work? What? you
Old,
need?
we need a sponge. We will
Okay,
need.
okay. Okay, for making shapes. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. So we need a colors, we need a paintbrush, we need old toothbrush, a sheet, a sponge, and a pencil, and as well as some water to clean our brush. So I hope everyone is ready. If not, so today we are going to make a beautiful silhouette painting, a beautiful night sky painting. Okay, so let me just share this with you. This is what I have prepared. This is how the sky looks. It has different shades, pink and purple, and there are stars throughout. And then we have a silhouette of an old tree here. You can see, right? So first of all, what I need you to do is just spread out your sheet, drawing sheet in a horizontal way here, the way I have placed it. Okay, and then I slightly use my pencil and I make section. I just make one line here, two lines, just to divide it into sections, so that I will know that first is purple and then pink and then purple here again. So roughly draw two lines. Okay, it has to be rough and very faint. So, and then I select purple and pink. Center shade has to be little faint. So if you are using purple and pink, it is purple. I'm using orange for now. Okay. Yes. So what I do is take little bit on my sponge. I will take some shade, as you can see, and then I have poured some paint little bit. You can use your brush and uh, yeah, and then you start sponging it across the sheet. You have to just press the sponge in this section only. Okay, so use your shade. So as you can see, I have somewhat used it here, and it need not be perfect straight. It can be little outside as well. It's slightly, it can go outside as well. It's a sky. You need not make very strict sections here. So usually we have a 4 session course on Figurite. We have 4 session course here. This is just one of the paintings. We have more sessions as well. So I use other edge of my sponge. I have some shade. I have some red here. I want to make a orange and red sky. So I've been using this. Okay. So this is my red. Same way I started for the red section as well. Okay. So yes, I think I might want to add some more. orange to this. Okay, my orange is almost over. So I'll use my brush. Okay, I'm just spreading the shade across. And maybe if I need, I can use some yellow also. If I need, let me just see. I'll just take, I've taken a bit of yellow here. That's it. I'll just spread it across. I use my sponge again and I roll that. All the colors should mix well with the sky. If some of the orange enters the red section, it's fine. We have to mix them. So that's absolutely fine. I took little yellow and I mixed it with my orange here. So I'm ready with my old toothbrush and white paint, and we are ready to make stars. Now let your sponge rest. Yes, yeah. Isha is going to wash your hands. Very good. I have my brush here. I pour some white on it. Mm-mm. Just watch me. Do not start. Yes, as you can see, I am taking little white on my brush. Okay, like a small toothpaste. And then I will make stars by spreading it like this. See my thumb. I will spread it with my thumb throughout the sheet randomly here and there. So if you have any important article around, please place it away. It might get spoiled. Output which I wanted. Maybe I can use a small brush, a very thin brush. Yes, to just make little big stars randomly. Randomly, once you have used your toothbrush and finished with it, I take a very thin brush. This brush is 2 number brush. Let me just lift my sheet and show it closely to all of you. You can see first I use orange, then red. So I am using my sketch pen, sorry, pencil to make some land and just make the mountain. Okay, so let me use my black. Maybe I can use my sketch pen so that you can quickly see. Okay, Nivriti, yes, you have to fill it up right now. I'm showing you with a sketch pen so that it is visible to all of you. Brush here so that you have the hold of it. You can use first a pencil. If we are not sure how will it look, you can first use your pencil and make the tree as you can see here. branches are spread out, and then further I make these shapes on it. So spread out your 5 branches. Make this tree. We have finished up painting. I like your sky. Yes, very nicely done. Very nice. Are you happy with your work? Did you learn something today? Please share your experience with me. Okay, okay. So yes, in case you want to know more about painting, you can reach out to us. We have a courses on the website as well, and then let us know. Okay, share your review as well. Okay, Disha, see you. Bye. Bye.